Good morning. This is Algebra A2, Notes for 2-7, which is just more angle problems. So this is really nothing new here in this lesson. It's just more angle problems using those relationships that we're going to go over really quickly here. So you can see that these aren't in fill-in-the-blank format like they were in the previous ones, because by this time you should start to have these memorized. So complementary angles. Got my keyboard attached still. There we go. Complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. That key piece there, they add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees. These are also called AKA linear pair. And they're called a linear pair because they are angles that form a straight line. Also add up to 180 degrees. They are supplementary. So there's three different names you can give to a group of angles that has a measurement of 180 degrees. You can call that, so like this. If I were to call this angle A and angle B. Angle A and angle B are supplementary. They're also a linear pair, and they are also angles that form a straight line. It's all three of those things. The last thing to look at, or the last one you want to remember, are vertical angles. Remember that vertical angles kind of like form an X. A giant X there. And vertical angles, first actually I'm going to write down, they are congruent, aka equal, the same, and they kind of form an X, as I said before. So an example of two angles that would be vertical, I'm going to kind of do this example off to the side, would be something like this. This blue angle and my red angle, red, are vertical angles. Red and blue are vertical. Okay, so those are our relationships that you're going to use to kind of solve some problems here.